So I'm going to show you how to set up folders in your Drive. Some of you probably already know how to do this, but if you don't, I'm going to show you how it's done. Some of you should all remember when you had computers last year, you saved things in your documents. But as you know, with your Chromebook, you don't have documents, but what you do have is your Drive. And it's a storage place for all the different kind of files. And those of you who are organized, good little worker bees have folders for each subject in your document. So you're going to do the same thing in your Drive. As you can see, my stuff is already organized. I've got stuff for Dragon Time. I've got stuff for my current events and debate class. I've got my social studies folder. So we're going to show you how to do this too. The new button there in red, you're going to click on that and you're going to select a new folder. You're going to title your folder with your first class of the day. Some of you it's language arts, some of you it's social studies, but you can just imagine that your first class of the day is math, and you're going to create it. And you'll see that it's going to show up there. I want to point out to you that you can change the way this looks. If you don't like seeing them like this, you can use this button to change, and then it goes to list view. And some people prefer that. I prefer grid view, but that's just me. So now I have a math folder, but if you were really cool, you would color code your folders. So if I want to color code my folder, I'm going to right click on the math, and then I'm going to change color. So I could make my math folder burgundy if I wanted to do that. So that's pretty exciting. I know your life just changed. Then you're going to create your next folder for your next class of the day or whatever bounces off of math for you. So if you need a Spanish folder, you are going to call it Spanish. You're going to create that folder and it's going to show up there. We're going to change our color, so we're going to right click it and we can change the color and we can make Spanish orange instead, whatever makes you happy. Now, it's true that you may not end up needing a folder for all of these classes. I can't promise that you're going to save things for all of them, but it helps you to stay organized to make sure you have folders instead of just a bunch of random documents. As you can see, I have some random documents down here that aren't quite organized, so my bad. But I want you to create these folders. So by the end of today, you're going to have folders set up in your Drive for all of your different classes. You should, I think, see a folder called Classroom. And that's going to have folders within it for each of your classes that you belong to. That's pretty intense, I know. I have a lot of classes. But I want you to create your own folders that are just in Drive, and you can color code them if you like. If you're having a hard time, remember, ask somebody who's near you. They're happy to help you, or ask your mentor teacher. And I will make sure this video is also there in Classroom for you to watch again and see if that helps. All right, you can do this. I believe in you.